Hello, hi everybody. It is day 23 of studying math in every day, and today we're just gonna continue practicing the the practice problems that we were working on the last couple of days. So we're just gonna keep solving them. Okay, I'm not gonna start studying any new topics or any new stuffs until I cook these problems. Okay, so let's do it. And also, there was something else. There was a problem that I have been doing it. I think this minus 8 and this x plus 3, they cannot cancel. That's what I think though. So it's just this problem is kind of complicated, but I was literally close, I believe. So there's a lot of stuff that I have learned from this lesson though. So let's start the timer before I start yapping. So yeah, so in this case this is absolutely right. This is absolutely right. There is nothing wrong with it, right? But what I need is to simplify, and then it will be just it will be x squared 3x and minus 40. This is it, okay? And the other side of the equation, what I need is this. It's just skid my ankle. What the heck? I'm doing wrong. So I don't need this step, to be honest. This is just of engineered. That's what we use in no, just put it. Okay. So now what I need is this. I only need to am I gonna divide by 2 on both sides? Yes, that's what I need to do. So on the other side too. So this will be just, it will remain just 0. And what I have now is just x minus blah blah. This is what I have, and I don't have this too. Okay, so in this case I will have x minus 8 and x negative positive 5. So not that bad, right? It's fine. Okay, but I got another question though. My question is this, and x minus 7 and x plus 3 times minus 8 x plus 3. Okay, will x plus 3 and x plus 3 will they cancel each other? Because this one got a negative in front of it, right? This fraction got a negative. So will they cancel? In general, they won't. Cause this is positive and this is negative, they won't cancel each other. But what if the minus is only on top? What if the minus only is on top? What if the number 8 got the minus but not the denominator? So what is how can we know so basically this result, if we do division on this term, it would be just the division will the result will always be negative. Okay, so it doesn't make sense if we give the negative to the denominator or if we give it to the numerator. I mean, if we give it to the numerator or if we give it to the denominator, which is x plus 3, it doesn't make sense all the time. But what makes sense is just in this case, what if just the negative is on top? So yeah, that is a question that needs to be answered. Okay, So let's what should I do? Should I just like ask it ChatGPT and let me make it a little bit better? Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of it. Okay, and screenshot basically. In the denominator I got this is what I have. So okay, right. And then I'm just like, I can literally copy paste in here, I believe. Not quite. Let's carefully look at the expression. Okay, so they can just like cancel each other and it's fine. It is something that I wanted to know so badly. So I'm good. I believe I'm good. So yes, what about this problem? So I did 1, 2, 3, and also 4. Also, this is the 5th one. So I didn't write all of them down. You should guys know. So I'm not gonna do it now. I'm gonna do another time maybe. Let me find my pen. Somebody like took it. Like my older brother, like my maybe younger brother, just took it. Gosh, I have to get more than that. More than one, I think, pen. I just forget it. Okay, now let's work on this. So we first need to get the LCM, or maybe basically the LCM. We need to get the LCM. So what I need is this is kind of like maybe tough. I don't know, but yeah. Let's see. I'm literally gonna use the line. The actual line. It's x minus. Hell no, it's they all are different. It's x minus 4, x plus 4, I mean a minus 4, a plus 4, a square minus 16. Oh my gosh, they all are different. Okay. But yeah, I have to cook them no matter what. Even if I cannot do it now, I have to like try another more problems maybe. So I think this part, I think the sign doesn't, that doesn't make sense. Okay, just forget that. Okay, this is what I need, I believe. I think I'm gonna multiply this like okay, I think what I can do is this. They're not all the same, they all are different. So what I need to do is this maybe. Just multiplying this like all of them into the numerator. So my LCM will be like all them together, each by side by side, I mean. So it's just like my A looks like 0 or something, so I'm about to use capital letter, uppercase A, uppercase A, okay, minus 4, A plus 4, and minus 16. Oh my gosh, like this thing would be longer. And the same too, dude. What if I just like stop writing all of them and I just like, cause like they're gonna be way too long, right? It's like some repetitive. I hate repetitive tasks. I hate copy pasting, to be honest. I don't know how people do like repetitive tasks in general. So equals to okay, basically I already know the 3 terms, so I'm not gonna write this part, dude. So I will be writing only this part. So x minus 4 and x minus 4 will cancel. So what I got is this 5, and then a plus 4 and a square minus 16. This is what I have basically, and this is what I have again. It's just like minus 3 a minus 4 and minus 16. So on this side I got like just like I'm just like gonna leave that one, but like I got x wow minus 4 and plus 4, like okay, so this is wave A, plus. Nah, I don't even need that. Like somebody recommended me to see if I can cancel this. Like all of the what is called. So probably can I literally multiply this two? I think subtract. Okay, that's what I meant. So can I literally say it is just like positive 2 a plus 4 a square minus 16 and then a minus 4 then a minus 16 which is like a minus 4 and a square minus okay nope is equal to this. Minus 4. So what if I divide both sides of the equation by like x plus 4 like x plus 4? Okay, well, let's do it. Okay, so it is x plus 4 and x plus 4 will cancel, so I get a square minus 16 a minus 30. So equals to I think it also I can cancel like a minus 4, right? And literally do that, I believe, because like they are like both sides of the equation. Oh nope, yes, I'm talking about this a minus 4 and a minus 4. So on this side of the equation all I have is this 2a square minus 16 and a square minus 16. This is how I'm doing it, by the way. And then divide each side by 2 and then 2, so it will be they will cancel. Then yeah, all I have is this. It's like make a foil, which is like 3 cubic, and then a times okay, it's minus 16a square, and then it is also still not minus, by the way. Is it like minus? I did something wrong, by the way. So I think I'm right. I'm literally right. Which is like a times 16, which is minus 16. So minus 16 is also like the same, which is like plus 32. That's what I have. So we have to get the y. We have to get the what is called. I have to values of x, right? So now we can use quadratic form or something. Like let me try to use the AC. Nah, can I use the AC method? Okay. So I need to remove this also. It's just like this side, so let's forget that. I don't know if what I'm doing is like total, right? Like it is 32a squared. Okay. I think this is not quite right. Okay. So I'm losing 1 degree. I need something like coefficient with just like a plus 32. This is how it should be, right? So what I'm doing is just like totally wrong, I believe. That's what I think. So let me see the constellation A and A and A. Okay, a cubic a 16 square plus 32 something. Okay, so this is not absolute. The equation, the whole equation is not right. Like that's what I know. The whole equation in this type of equation is not a correct equation. It is not. It is totally not. Right? It is totally not. There is something that I'm doing wrong. Okay. So I need to multiply this. Okay. Can I literally like do an operation onto these two, like the positive 5 and the negative 5? Will they be in 2? Will they? I don't know. I don't know, to be honest. Oh my gosh. And this is not totally right. It's not. See, what approach did they took? Because like I cannot even do it, man. Am I doing the 5th one? So at the end they have so like they break it down, they factorize it this one first, and I didn't, which is like I guess plus 4 and it's -4. So the whole thing is just like doesn't exist. Why I'm always missing all of this information doing? I don't know what's wrong with my brain. Fine, yeah, it doesn't make sense. I can't just the only thing that you need is just like to 4. So basically it's just minus 4 plus 4 5 minus 4 minus 3 plus 4 times minus 4 minus 4 is equal to 1 minus 4 and plus 4 times minus 4 and plus 4. So they all will cancel. On this side, like a plus 4 and a plus 4 will cancel, and then a minus 4 and this one will cancel. So it will just be 5 a plus 4 5a plus 4 and then minus 3a minus 4 equals to this 1, and then like, do I multiply this and this, or can I let me do it. This is like English better. Okay, plus 20 minus 3a minus 12 plus 12 is equal to 1. It's like 55a and it's 2a and then 20 and 12 is just like 32. It's just 1. Okay, and then on the other side of the equation, am I right? Basically, yes, I'm right. So minus 31. It's weird, a little bit weird. So will the 1 still be there? I don't know. So then, so let me see the equation. Utility. Okay, this is minus 1. How is it minus 1 though? This is minus. So okay, it's minus 33. So yeah. Okay, the only thing that I forgot was just like that I can, you know, this was a perfectly binomial. I think perfectly square. On another hand, I could factorize it like this, like expand it maybe. In other words, I could do that. But yeah, let me see. For x Okay. So it is, I'm gonna multiply both sides of the equation by 4x squared. So is it 4x squared or like, or 4 cubic? How can I know it? There is something that I'm struggling, so I'm about to check it out. That is organic chemistry though.
Plus 8 over x is equal to 6. Feel free to pause the video and work on this example. So what we're going to do in this problem, we're going to multiply both sides by x. Whenever you have two fractions separated by an equal sign, what you want to do is you want to cross multiply. So 12 times x minus 3 is 12x, x, 8. That's equal to 9. It's going to be 2x plus 4. Now 4 times 6 is 24. 2. The least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So let's multiply everything by 6 to get rid of the fractions. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now let's multiply 2 by x plus 2, and that's going to be 2x plus 4. Now 4 times 6 is 6. So that's equal to x plus 9 divided by 2. Find the value of x. The least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So let's multiply everything by 6 to get rid of the fractions. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now let's multiply 2 by x plus 2, and that's going to be 2x plus 4. Now 4 times 6 is 3. Let's say that's equal to x plus 9 divided by 2. Find the value of x. The least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So let's multiply everything by 6 to get rid of the fractions. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now let's multiply. Now let's say that we have x plus 2 divided by 3 plus 4. And let's say that's equal to x plus 9 divided by 2. Find the value of x. The least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So x plus 5, we need to clear away 5. Now, we need to clear away all fractions. So let's multiply the top, let's multiply both sides, the left side and the right side, by x plus 5 times x minus 5, the common denominator. So if we take this fraction and multiply it by these two, we can see that x plus 5 will cancel, leaving behind x times x minus 5. Now if we take the second fraction and multiply it by those two, the x minus 5 term will cancel, leaving behind 5 times x plus 5.
In this case, I don't know if this is the like the way to. Well, like I think at this point in my opinion, I think it is just like 4x square on both sides of the equation. That's what I think. I probably think that's what I think. That's what I think. Oh, let me just check in. My Okay, so I was right. So this will be 4x square. Like x square and x square will cancel, I think. Okay, so by the way, this one and this one will cancel. So it is 8 plus 4x square and x square is just like just only 4x, so it's 12x. Nah, even like this one and this one, they will also cancel. So it's just like all I have is just 3x. Even if I just say like, yeah, it will be like 12 divided by 4, which is like 3, right? Yeah, it's just like 3x by the way. It's 3x is equal to, and then other side is just 4x plus 7. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? I'm doing it right here. Oh my gosh, that's not good. That's not good. So on this side we got like 8 plus 3x equal to 4x. 4 times 7 is equal to what? Is it 28? 4 times 7 is equal to 28. So plus 28. So on this side of the equation it's just the same, which is like minus x plus 8 is equal to 28, like minus x is equal to 20. So it's like minus 1 and minus 1, which is like x is equal to 20. Okay, let me check it. X is equal to 26. How? What the heck? What up? What did I do wrong? Nah, where did this 8 came from? Like, where? It's like 2. It was like, it's 4 divided by 2 is just like 2. Dude, this is where I did wrong. This is basically 2, not 8. I don't know if it is normal to forget this, like, this type of stuffs, and I don't know if people do it like stuffs like this. So it will be 26, yeah, for sure. Here it will be square. It's 28, right? Minus, nope. Yeah, this is 2. By the way, mine is 26. 26, so it is minus 26. So fine. I was kinda close, to be honest, but like I need to do more on this. I wanna like know also how to find that least common multiple thing. Okay, what about the fifth one? Yes, I did this one also. Okay, what about the first one? I got x equal to 27. I already filed it on it too, right? Five x minus 15, and then 4x plus 12. So how did I get this? Like, it's not 2x. Like, if I brought it right here, it will be just x. So in this step, like, for 5x minus 4x is just x minus 15 is equal to 12. So x so also, okay, minus 15, it will be plus, right? And then x is equal to 20. Then what? 15 and to 27. X equal to 27. See that? Okay, yeah. Okay, I don't know how I ended up the tool that was there. So in this case, let me do it one more time. So was 6, 3 and 4. I think it is 12. Okay, so 12x, then it's just yeah, it's just 12x squared divided by 6, which is 2x squared, and 12x x will cancel, so 12 times 5 divided by 3. That's what I need. Or just like do this. What you can do is just like 4 times 5, which is 20, so it's minus 20. It's equal to, it's just like 3 and 3x. Okay, so at this point, like, yeah, bring it inside. So okay, x minus 3 minus 20. So let me just see, because we'll have two values, that's all I know. So minus 5 divided by 2 and x equal to 4. So I'm right. Okay, so what about the third solution? X equal to 11. I have x equal to 11. 16 negative 11. Yes, I'm right on this one. So now this is the one that I was working on. It was tedious, to be honest, but it is what it is. Yeah, not that bad. Now this one is fine. X minus 8 and x is equal to 5. This is the one that took me a lot of time. Okay, problem number 5. Okay, kinda solve it, but like, yeah, still this one is waiting for me. Good. So now I'm about to just get ready for the, let's go for the break. Oh yeah, let's do it. Yeah, I'm back. I didn't eat my breakfast early in the morning, so I was doing it now. So yeah, I was gone more than 10 minutes for sure. So sorry. So if I remember like the radical equations, I think you first you first need to get rid of the radical. So you're gonna multiply both sides of the equation by the integers. I think the power of the integers, right? So in this part of the equation, you're gonna multiply by 3, and then other one 3 2. So this 3 and this 3 will cancel out. So you will just get 2x plus 1 something something. That's how they were approaching the problem. But like, I'm about to do maybe a research, so maybe a review. So let me see. So
Example. The square root of 3x plus 1 is equal to 4. If you know what to do, feel free to pause the video and work on this example. Rid of the square root. And the only way to do that is and now let's subtract both sides by 1. Now we don't want to square both sides yet. We want to move the 3 from the left side to the right side. So let's begin. But now you don't. It's 2, so that minus of a square root will cancel. In this example, we can square both sides. So when x is 0, the square root of 0 is simply 0.
so let's try to do it. Okay. So we need to move this 5 on the other side. So it will be this. So two. Oh. Why it's not showing up though? Okay. So what about this part? I think it's just the same. Don't need to do all of that. And just like would be -1, I believe something. So doing this, I have to stop laziness. Will be plus and then 5 and then okay, divided says by 2 is x plus 1 is equal to 25 and then x is equal to, this will be -1, so it will be 24. So x is equal to 24. Okay, what about this part? I think you need to isolate all of the radicals in one side of the equation. If organic chemistry is solved in another one, that's what I think, yeah. Okay, you're just gonna multiply.
For 3x. What about this one? Square root of 3x plus take the square of both sides.
What if they have different
And so
like
the
indexes?
radicals will disappear. Therefore 3x plus 4.
What if they have different indexes though? Yeah, let's like I think they got a Gemini right now, so we can ask them. Like
Will be
okay. So got a plus also in front of me. At this point, no matter where you take it, like this +2 would always be there, so I'm just like gonna do straight on it. So x -3 plus 4 is equal to 2x plus 1. So Okay, minus 3 and plus 4 is equal to what? It's just like 1, right? X plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1. Yes, okay, so it's next. So x, okay, wait up. Oh my gosh, this is a little bit weird. So then this, if it goes on the other side, it would be, well, minus 2x. So minus 2x plus x is just like minus x. And then what's next? So and the 1 goes on the other side, which is minus. I think there is something wrong on this. There is something wrong, I believe. Hold on, I need to, like, okay, what I need to do is just like to move this on the other side. That's what I'm about to do now. It's like, forgot this. Okay, that's not right. It's a little bit weird. So okay, this is what I need. Is equal to, then if I need is equal to, I can just literally do this. So x minus 3 plus 2. Nope, I don't even need this even, so I can just like do this. 2x plus 1 is equal to now minus 2. So by 2, so by 2, so this x minus 3 minus 2x plus 1 4. It's like a minus 2 and minus 2 is equal to 4. So minus 3 and 1 minus 2 on the other side is just okay, minus x, and then minus 2. If minus 2 goes on the other way around, on the other way it will be plus 2, so it will be 6. Just divide it by 1, so it's just like x is equal to -6. Okay. Okay. So equal to -6. So what else? I think I'm kind of right on this, so yeah, fine. So this one need to move the 1 minus x is equal to 5 plus x. Okay, so this is just so 1 minus x is equal to 25 plus x square. So so 1 minus x square minus 25. It's weird. Okay, and then x square. Okay, minus x plus 24. It's equal to 0. Is this like right? It's gonna be minus. So yes, it is minus x square. Not even. This is not positive even. This is negative. So I'm gonna take negative out, and then it will be square positive, I guess, positive 24 is equal to 0. So okay, gives me this. One and 24 and something. Oh, okay. What's the solution, dude? Like, what? So, to be honest, should I use the quadratic formula for this? I cannot get like values those gives me like that. The two terms that I'm looking for, the two numbers that I'm looking for, by the way. Move it to the other way. It will be positive x square. Then it's a little bit trickier. I don't know. So this one will just be the same. If I move minus x on the right side, it will be positive x, and then That will be just like, it's the exact same number that I have now. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, so this one is just like also kind of the same. Like this one will be also different. So first of all, just like is equal to x minus 4, it will be like that. Multiply both sides of the equation by square by the power of 2, and then just like square both sides of the equation, and I will get x squared minus 2x plus 4. And then what about this part? It will be x squared and also 4 times 4, which is positive 16. Positive 16. And then I'm gonna do this. Gonna bring up onto this side. Oh my gosh, they're gonna cancel. It's gonna be like, it's gonna be negative x. That's what it will be, basically. Which is so funny. Wow. So positive x squared, negative x squared, negative 2x, positive 4 is equal to 16. This is so funny. Okay, they will both cancel each other. So I got negative 2x plus 4, negative 16 is equal to 0. So now what I need is this. Okay. 2 times 16, which is like positive 32. It gives me 32. 16 and 2 also gives me 32. 16 and 2, 4 and 8. So 4 and 8, like it would do, I think it is 4 and 8. So to make it a little bit better, I'm gonna take minus out, and then I'm gonna make it like 2x minus 4 positive 16, so it's equal to 0. So both they will be like what? I think this is not right, kinda. Like if I even use minus 4 and minus 8, it will be like minus 12. Or if I say minus 8 and positive 4, it will be like minus 4, but like these two like multiplied, it will be just negative 32, which is not like the C. So yeah, so this is not a square. This is not totally, and the situation changed. Oh my gosh, I literally forgot that. I didn't know that. I think the case changed. Oh my gosh, what do I need to use when like there is no when there is no, when the first term is raised to the power of 1, when it is not quadratic equation. Oh my gosh, like these two, they cancel each other. So wait up, so even 4 and 16, they should, it's like they are literally like terms. So minus 2x. So it will be negative 12 is equal to 0. Move negative 12 on the other side, which is like positive 12. Dude, I wasn't like I didn't know all of this. X is equal to minus 6. Dude, I have to be good. If I solve with this one, then I'm just like I'm good then. If I solve with this, and then I'm good. So let me check it one more time. So like this is x squared, and then this is 16. So I had like already that, and then this minus, okay, minus 2x plus 4. So I got this on the other side. Dude, I'm kind of right. So I'm not gonna check even these ones. I'm gonna check the last one. I'm good if I solve with the last one, to be honest. Okay. Where did the eggs go? Okay, this is the check-in. So x is equal to 2. And what about like what I have? Okay, I got minus 2x. How did the 6... Where does... Where up? Where that 6 came from, basically. Okay, so this bar will just go there. Oh my gosh. I fell into that trap, man. So I was like... So, I'm totally wrong. Let me check the other ones too. Let me go all the way top. First one is 9 divided by 2. Do I have 9 divided by 2? Yes, I do. What about the second one? This is the solution. Plug the solution. 49. Do I have 49? Yes, I do. I'm not even checking it. Wow. 24. What about this one? I got 24 too. What about this one? They got like x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 12. Okay, wait up. X is equal to 4 and x is equal to 12. That's what they have. But how did they deal it with that tool though? That's the most important part. So plus 4 x minus 3 plus 4. Why there is 2 x minus 3's then? Okay, I'm wrong on this, right? I'm totally wrong on it. So Alright. Yeah, I'm totally wrong on this one, which is like number 4. What about number 5? I left the number 5 in the middle, to be honest. That's what I did. Okay, I think I kinda can solve this problem now. So when it comes to this, it will be x plus 4 and x plus 4. That's what they will do. So I would say like it's equal to x minus 1 is equal to 5 plus x and 5 plus x, so which is 25 and plus 5x, which is another 5x, which is x squared. If I write it in order, it's just x squared plus 10x plus 25. So the other side I got x minus 1. That's what I have. Okay, and then bring like move both. So 0 x squared plus 10x minus x, by the way, plus 25 and plus 1, so it is x squared plus 9x plus 24. Okay, look, let me get the quadratic formula for this problem. No, I'm not gonna use quadratic formula, I'm just like gonna use what gives me 24, 1 multiplied by 9. It's 9 times 3, I think. Nope, not 9 times 3. Okay, not that. Two numbers, okay? Let me get the two numbers. It's 24, and they give me like 9. Ah. Okay, I'm international, don't do that. Okay, so 24 and 9, it's just what gives me 24 at the first place. It is 8 and 3, 4 and 6. I think I cannot find it. Wait, I cannot get the two numbers. I think they don't even exist. Let me use the quadratic formula. OC minus B plus or minus B square minus 4AC divided by 2. Okay. So maybe which is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 is 81. Plus or minus. Nah, sorry. It's not squared, so it's just 9. One for A1C 24. 4 times 24. Some big number, I think. 4 times 24. 96. So minus 15. Dude, this is literally like, it's not a, I won't get it like a normal root. So this is just, this is problem number 4. Problem number 5, I mean. This is positive. Go to the other way. Should be minus. Move all terms to one side of the equation. I move it to the other side though. Like, what does he mean by like one side, right? Instead of one side. Good. Okay. What if I move it to the other side? Like, that's what I'm talking about. It will be plus, right? So why did I like use minus? Am I just crazy? Am I just like, is my brain just like freezed? I already that this is negative. Is it minus negative? Okay. Oh, was negative, so yeah, it is. It's the same, man. It's 24 on. Yes, it is just like x squared plus 11x plus 24, and the two numbers are what? Two numbers are 8 and 3. That's let me check. 8 and 3, yeah, they will be 11. So it's 8 and 3. Yes, they are 8 and 3. So what about the last one? I had this way too long. So, yeah. So yeah, I just wanna end the session right here. I cannot like keep it. There is some stuff is going on in my brain, and there's stuff that I'm thinking about. So yeah, so these things are making me to lose focus. So yeah, I'm about to just like end it right here, and yeah, hope life will be maybe easier than this. Yeah. So yeah, see you tomorrow, guys.